Hi, my name is McCaitlin.
Hi, my name is London.
And you're watching Mom to Mom. Today we are making banana bread. Want to see how we do it? Stay tuned. First, we have to wash our hands so we don't get dirt in our food.
So these are the ingredients that you will be using, and please remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We want everything to be nice and ready. Take 3 ripe bananas and peel them, piece them apart, and throw them in the bowl. This is a quick and easy family time meal to help your little ladies learn early in life how to bake.
We are going to smash.
They may need a little bit of assistance smashing. Now we're going to add our sugar, 1 cup of sugar or more if you like it sweet. And it's always fun to let the little kids help. Thumbs up. And then 1 egg. They'll definitely need help with that. We had a bit of a blooper there. We are then going to carefully add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and then stir. And then also 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You do want to make sure you have baking powder, not baking soda. I almost made that mistake. And also, just an FYI for moms out there, do not buy these measuring cups. I do believe I got them from either Family Dollar or Dollar Tree. They are the ones with the white writing on it, kind of like painted on, and it will ruin after a few washes. And unless you're really good with measurements, you might not want to get those. Also just a dash of salt, and mix in your 1.5 cups of flour, little by little, not all at the same time, mixing very well each time. And excuse my little man in the back, he is eating some of his steamed bananas that I made today. Yum, yum, yum. Next, you are going to coat your pan very well with non-stick cooking spray, butter, or whatever you choose to coat your pan with. We want everything nice and ready, and we don't want it to stick. Then carefully scoop everything out with a nice big spoon into your pan. It's looking good already, looking good. And then you want to assist your little ladies in taking it to the oven, or if you don't feel comfortable, you can place it in there on your own. And remember to set that timer. 45 minutes is all you need.
If you like our video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, girl, you got this.